Hello, 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 and welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Nicole is making it happen, and I am sitting here in front of Walmart, getting ready to go in to get some free groceries. Guys, everything that we get in this haul is going to be absolutely free. Yes, and it's just in time if you want to grill out. It's perfect items for you to grill out, cook out, have a picnic, and just have some refreshing drinks. So hopefully everything is in stock and we can get everything that we need, because it will be a complete meal including drinks. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to try out the coupons.com app because I have not used that before. So we're going to use that to get some money back, and then we're also going to use the Shopkicks app. So if you haven't downloaded those, I put all the information down in the description box, in the comment box. Everything will be pinned so you can get it from either place. So just click on the links, go ahead and sign up and get your free groceries. So guys, let's head in. But before we do, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to give me a thumbs up for this video. Let me know that you like free groceries. Let me know what the items are that you're going to go get, or if you've already gotten them, let me know what you've done and how it worked out for you. And that way we can share this video with as many people as possible so that they can go out and they can save too. Because you know, that's what we do here at Nicole is Making It Happen. We spread the word and we help those dollars stretch just a little bit longer. So guys, let's head in. Let's get our free groceries. Okay guys, so we're at our first deal. So let me turn the camera around so that you guys can see exactly what I'm referring to. So our first deal is going to be on the Oscar Meyer hot dogs, and you can either get the uncured bun length wieners for $2.24, or you can get the regular size for $2.24. Totally up to you which ones you want to get. But I think I'm going to go ahead and get the regular size ones. They're $2.24, and you're going to make sure that you have the coupons.com app downloaded, because you're going to get $2.25 back from the app. So that's going to make these hot dogs absolutely free. And you can only do this deal one time. You can't do it multiple times. So grab your one pack, put it in the cart, and let's move on to our next free food item. And guys, if you haven't downloaded the app, no worries. I put the link in the description box as well as in the comments, so that way you can go ahead and you can download it at any time and be able to take advantage of the deal. Okay guys, so we are at our next deal, and just keep in mind that the deals that we're doing where we're getting the free food from the coupons.com app go until July 15th. So you have till July 15th to take advantage. So the next deal that we're going to choose from are the ballpark. You can either get the hot dog buns or the hamburger buns. I'm going to get the hot dog buns since I already got the hot dogs. So here they are right here. Make sure you grab the 8-pack. They're $2.78. But from coupons.com, you're going to get back $2.89. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab one pack of these. And here are the hamburger rolls. So if you decide to get the hamburger rolls are $2.28. So totally up to you which one you want to get. Like I said, I'm going to get the hot dog rolls since I got the hot dogs. And you have until July 15th to take advantage of this deal. So let's go ahead. Let's move on to our next item. Okay guys, we're at our next deal, and it is on the Limitless water. I haven't tried this, so with it being absolutely free, it's going to give me an opportunity to try it. So you guys know I love free. Okay guys, so I don't know if this is in the right place because I don't have my glasses on, but I think that says Limitless water for $3.38. Now you're going to have to make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded for this. I probably should have told you that in the beginning of the video, but you do need Ibotta for this. So you're going to purchase one. You want to make sure you get the 8 count. Ibotta is actually giving back $3.98 for this. And if this is the right price, $3.38, this is actually going to be a 60-cent money maker. So I'm going to go scan it to make sure, but either way I'm picking it up because I know it's going to be free. So these are our drinks for our free groceries that I talked about. So we're going to move on to our next deal. All right, our next deal is going to be a drink deal, and this is going to be a Shopkick deal, guys. So make sure you have that downloaded. Like I said, if you don't, all the information is in the comments as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and get that started. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of these Country Time zero sugar mixes. They are $1. You're going to scan it in store and you're going to get 20 kicks. But then when you submit your receipt, you're going to get 50 kicks. So actually, when you add that all up, it comes to $1.28, I believe. So with this only being $1, that means that this is going to be a money maker. So that's excellent, and that's what we're looking for. So you'll get a total of $1.28 back from Shopkicks, and that'll be a 28-cent money maker. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. But again, make sure you get the zero sugar Country Time lemonade. And here's the UPC, and it's only $1. So make sure you scan it in store to get your kicks, and then submit it to your receipt, and you're going to submit your receipt, and then you're going to get a total of $1.28 back. So that means that's a 28-cent money maker. So let's go on. We have something else to pick up. Okay, guys, so our next item is going to be the Kraft macaroni and cheese, and that is this box here. They are 98 cents in the store, but we are going to submit this to coupons.com. Again, this is another coupons.com deal, and coupons.com is going to give us $1.09. So be sure that you go ahead and get this deal before July 15th, because that is the last day to get that. So that makes that macaroni and cheese absolutely free. Okay, guys, so here's our next deal. It is on the Hines yellow mustard. Now, make sure that you are getting the right one. So you have to get the 8 ounce, okay? Make sure that it's 8 ounce. And if you're not sure if you have the right one, you can always scan it into the coupons.com app, and it will tell you if it's the right one or not. So these are only $1, but the coupons.com app is giving us $1.45 back for these. So these should be a little of a money maker. Again, I'm not sure because this is my first time using the coupons.com app, so hopefully we do get that back with the extra money. So I'm going to go ahead, throw this in the cart, and move on to the register, and let's see what all we have. Okay, guys, so we're going to head up to the register. So this is everything that we're getting, and remember, everything in this cart is going to be absolutely free. So we have some sparkling water, we have some lemonade to mix up, we have some macaroni and cheese, we have mustard for our hot dogs. There's our hot dogs up there, and then we have the hot dog buns. So we have a complete meal, guys. Basically, if you need some ketchup, you'll just have to get that out your refrigerator or buy some, but this is absolutely free, everything in this haul. So I'm going to head up to the register, I'm going to pay for it, then we'll go in the car, we'll review our receipts, submit our receipts to Shopkick, submit our receipt to coupons.com, and then to Ibotta. So guys, let's head up to the register. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car, so let's go over the receipt. So we got the macaroni and cheese, which rang up at 98 cents. We got the mustard, which rang up at $1. We have the Country Time lemonade that rang up at $1. The 16-ounce Oscar Meyer hot dogs, which rang up at $2.24. The buns were $2.28, and the sparkling water was $3.38, and that was a total of $10.88. So here are the final numbers. So I spent $10.88. I got a total of $7.68 back from coupons.com, and they give you the actual price that is in the rebate of coupons.com, not what you spent. So we do have a couple money makers. I got back $3.99 from Ibotta, and I got back $1.28 from Shopkicks. I don't have the picture of Shopkicks up because Shopkicks takes up to 48 hours, whereas coupons.com and Ibotta, I get the money back immediately. So, oh guys, can you hear that thunder? We're having a thunderstorm here, so I had to run to the car. So I received a total of $12.95 back in rebates, which means that this whole entire haul is a $2.07 money maker. So guys, please go out, get your free food, download the coupons.com app. Make sure you download Shopkicks, and make sure that you download Ibotta. Those are the 3 apps that's going to give you this entire haul for free. And like I said, it's an entire meal. You have your side, which is the macaroni and cheese. That's your side dish. You have your meat, which is the hot dogs, your bread, which are the buns. You have 2 different drinks to choose from, the Limitless Water or the Country Time Lemonade. And then you have the condiment. Only thing you need is your ketchup. And like I said, you can go buy your ketchup or don't use ketchup at all. But this is a terrific haul, guys. So go out, get it done. Let me know if you've done it already. Let me know if you plan to go do it. And let me know how it goes for you. Comment below. Let me know. But until the next time, guys, keep on saving.